right, Dr. Chris here from the Nerve Health Institute. We're continuing our mission to help people worldwide. And today we want to talk about a health secret that we have, and it's for helping your back and helping your stability in your back and your legs and basically just making you have less pressure on your back throughout the day. So if you get any moment where you start to get maybe a little bit of back pain throughout your day, this is something that you really can do to preemptively strike before things get really out of whack and you get really inflamed and you get really bothered and aggravated. So at the same time, you might be able to do this exercise if you're already there, and you might notice if you do it, you get some relief. Contrary to popular belief, we're not big fans of rest here. In hardly any type of injury, there may be a very small exception to the rule, but when it comes to things in your body where you get pain and you get these sort of things, it starts with weakness. And so you have to actually make the brain fire to parts to get those parts sparked back up to where you can start to get your power back and start to do the things you want to do. So again, this exercise is pretty simple. This is just a flat pillow. You could take any type of pillow, a couch pillow, anything. You put your feet even and together, and you place the pillow between your knees, and all you're gonna do is do a little squat. Now, all my weight is on my heels right now. So all I'm doing is squatting essentially backwards. If you wanna make, the easiest way to think about it is if you have to take a poo-poo in the woods. I guess that's probably the easiest way. You're trying to get your butt away from your feet and without falling down. And I have a wall behind me, so if you wanna do it in front of the wall without touching the wall, just so that you don't fall down, it's fine. But get that butt as far back away from your feet as you can, and then all you do is keep squeezing that pillow, but you shift your weight back and forth. Just shift your weight back and forth. Shift your weight back and forth. The whole time my weight is through my heels, my butt is back, and then you just do this for maybe 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds, come back up and see how that feels. And if it makes you feel a little bit better, then you want to do it again. While you're doing this exercise, you're going to notice the muscles in your high butt will start to kind of feel like they're engaging again and getting their power back. You'll also notice the muscles here are starting to engage again and getting your power back. So this is a wonderful exercise for people that have sort of unstable backs where you don't know when it's going to give out kind of deal, and maybe you have a storied history where your relatives have had back surgery and you just have this weak back that keeps kind of coming and passing from generation to generation. We want to overcome that, and it can be overcome. It just started with a weakness with one of your ancestors, and you have to reverse it. So this exercise is really simple. It helps reconnect your brain to a lot of the stabilization areas that lose power in your lower back and your core. So please practice this exercise. I hope it helps, and look forward to more health secrets from the Nerve Health Institute.